Hello and welcome back. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to improve your handwriting by using the basic strokes. So what are the basic strokes? For example, when we write, we obviously draw these lines during writing. For example, if we are writing D, so we make an O and then draw this line. So in order to improve your handwriting, you have to practice these lines so that these lines are very much straight and very much equal to each other, so that the handwriting is looking so better. As we see in schools that the students wearing uniform are looking good in the uniform. So what basically is there, that they are wearing the same dress, therefore they look better together. So therefore the similarities and the things uh, give a good look to things. Okay, so these basic strokes are required in order to improve your handwriting. Okay, these straight lines, and we can also practice these lines. The vertical straight lines, and the above, these are the straight lines but leaning straight lines. At some angle they are lying at some angle with the vertical. So this is the angle basically, and these lines that are drawn below these lines, they are vertical. They are, we can say that they are making an angle of 0 degree with the vertical. So we can practice these lines by regular practicing. It will be improved very much. And also we can practice o o o o o o o o o, and we can also practice c c c c c c c c c, and also these lines which are a little bit curved. And on the opposite side, mirror side, we can practice it. So the more you practice, the more you become an expert, and your handwriting will be better. And we can also practice these random lines. For example, say I have drawn this line. Now I will try to draw another line which is very similar to the first line. Basically, doing this will improve your control on your pen, which means that you can move your pen according to your will. And also we can draw these circles upon each other, enclosing each other, I'm doing these in a little bit hurry so that I may save my time of video, but if you practice slowly, then it will be very nice. So you can practice these basic strokes in order to improve your handwriting. In the next video we will talk more about these strikes and apply these strikes to write sentences, but at the final I will write a sentence in the cursive handwriting. Be careful so that everything everything goes well. So in the next video I will be talking more about the handwriting, so keep me in, and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.